Hello everyone and welcome back to Ajastro Money Guru. I'm Nina and today we are diving deep into the dynamic world of commodities with a keen focus on the recent movements in West Texas Intermediate or WTI crude oil. We've seen some significant shifts and I'm here to break down what's driving them and what to watch for next. WTI crude futures have been on an upward trajectory, pushing past the $65 per barrel mark earlier today and holding on to those gains after reaching a 2-month high in the last trading session. This positive momentum is largely a result of a combination of factors, notably the ongoing US-China trade discussions and persistent geopolitical tensions. Let's talk about the trade talks. High-level discussions between US and Chinese officials commenced yesterday in London. Initial reports from US officials have been quite encouraging, describing the dialogues as good and fruitful. The market is clearly taking this as a positive sign, with expectations building for potential tariff reductions. Any such move could significantly boost global energy demand, and we're seeing that optimism reflected in crude prices. Beyond trade, geopolitical events continue to cast a long shadow, providing a foundational layer of support for oil prices. The enduring Russia-Ukraine conflict, unfortunately, remains a key concern. Furthermore, uncertainties surrounding a potential US-Iran nuclear agreement are also contributing to the market's cautious sentiment, adding a layer of risk premium to crude. Now, let's switch gears to the supply side, where OPEC Plus production policies are squarely in the spotlight. Saudi Arabia, a significant player in the oil market, is reportedly advocating for a notable increase in oil output. We're talking about a proposed increase of at least 411,000 barrels per day, starting from August, with the possibility of further hikes in September. While this could certainly help stabilize prices in the long run, in the short term, these potential increases are sparking some concerns about oversupply, which could potentially cap further significant price gains in the coming months. It's also worth noting that Brent crude futures are mirroring WTI's strength, trading at around $67.35 per barrel, driven by similar bullish sentiments and the same supply-side considerations. As always, in the commodities market, vigilance is key. Moving forward, all eyes will remain glued to the progress of the US-China trade discussions. Any breakthroughs or setbacks here will undoubtedly have a ripple effect. Similarly, we'll be closely monitoring evolving geopolitical situations and, of course, the critical policy decisions from OPEC+. These will be the primary determinants of crude oil's price direction in the days and weeks to come. That's it for our WTI crude update today. Thank you for tuning in to Ajastro Money Guru. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more timely updates and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next analysis.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।